Welcome to my channel. My name is Sahira and
I'm Samira.
this is our lovely Peanut, and today we're having spaghetti squash and spaghetti sauce, and I included the making process. If you like to see how I made it, go ahead, watch it. If not, just get to the eating part. So since my sister is the picky one, I'm gonna give her the small one. There you go, my love.
Thank you.
And this is for me, and we can get rid of this plate. I don't need it. And we're having lemonata for drink. And you can dress it up any way you want. So we're gonna go like this. You can use this big fork if you want, or your fork.
Yeah.
This is so interesting. This, see, when you carve it, it turns like a spaghetti strands.
Oh,
It's so neat. And you can serve it on a plate, but we're eating it right off the bowl.
Yeah.
See, look at how neat is this. Since I like butter, I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. While I was cooking it, I added some olive oil, salt and pepper. But I'm gonna add some butter. Just, do you want some?
Yeah, please.
There you go. Do you want more?
No, thanks.
No, that's good. Actually, I don't need this big fork.
Actually, this is my first time eating this spaghetti, eh?
To be honest, me too.
Oh,
It's my
Had you
first
tried
time.
it before?
No, I haven't tried it. I haven't cooked it. This is first time, but so far looks good. Then you dress it up any way you want. I made meat sauce. You can add, you can have vegetarian sauce. You can have anything, or just butter and cheese if you want. It's all up to you, whatever you want. And this is some Parmesan shredded fresh Parmesan cheese, and this is marble cheese shredded.
First, I want to try it without sauce.
No problem.
Then I'll see if.
Just give me a second. Let me make my presentation. Yeah, it's so
looks
hot.
nice.
And I'm gonna put a couple of shavings and some parsley to decorate. There.
Wow, nice.
So today I'm gonna make spaghetti squash for the first time. First of all, we need to cut it in halves. And wish me good luck. Let's hope I can figure it out. We have a guest on by my leg. He's trying to climb up. Eddie? Our boy Eddie's trying to climb. He's very curious boy. He's trying to see what I'm doing. And we need to take the seeds off. So now that I managed to cut the spaghetti squash, we're gonna add some olive oil to it, a good amount. And I scooped all the seeds. Add some salt and pepper. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. Actually, no. Before I put it in the oven, we're supposed to flip it upside down and put it in the oven at 400 for 50 minutes to an hour until it's soft and cooked. Thank you. I'm gonna make my sauce for the spaghetti squash. a little bit olive oil. Could cook some ground beef. The amount, it depends of how many people you're feeding and how many portions you want. My meat is already cooked. I'm gonna add some onion, shredded onion, shredded carrots, and I have some diced garlic. All my vegetables and meat is cooked. I'm gonna add cayenne pepper, salt, basil, and black pepper. And again, with spices, you could add as much as you want. You can add something else you want. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm using, that's the sauce I had with tomato sauce, or you could use just crushed tomatoes. You can add any sauce you want. And it's ready. Then you're gonna serve it on top of the squash with some cheese and enjoy. Okay, already. My sister again, she's gonna start just with the butter. Cheers. Cheers. Wow. It's really good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's good just by itself. It's good, but I don't think I'll add any sauce on it.
No?
Meat sauce, no. I'll just add some cheese.
Why?
I'll skip the sauce part.
Really?
Yep.
At least try it. I know you're picky, but okay. You don't wanna try it? I'm gonna get some more. Of course. If anybody knows me, they know I like meat. Let me eat the shaving.
Me, even my other spaghetti.
Here,
I don't need sauce. On
Yeah?
it. No.
Oh, one big bite for you out there. Here. If you've had it or it's your first time. Oh my god, it's so good.
With cheese is good.
Huh?
Yeah.
Definitely it doesn't taste like spaghetti. It tastes like vegetable, but it goes good with the meat sauce.
Yeah.
And she says it goes good with
With
the
the cheese, yeah. Butter and cheese.
good.
Yeah.
So technically my sister is having the vegetarian version of it.
Can I have a napkin?
Of course you can.
Okay, one for me, one for you. Thank you.
Wow.
No, it's delicious.
It is. It's good.
Tell you the truth, I was scared this time.
No.
But then I said no.
Hey?
Yeah, it's good.
And this one is good too. There's a hint of sweetness in the spaghetti squash, but boy, it's good.
No, it is good, yeah.
I'm loving it. That's it. One food I'm not crazy about, but I'll eat it. It's pasta. But this I'll eat every day. Not every day, anytime.
You can have this as a snack too.
Yeah. But with the cheese and the meat and this meat sauce I made that my sister doesn't want to try, it's absolutely delicious.
I'll try a tiny bit.
Try.
Just to say I tried it.
You're gonna be sorry if you didn't try. Okay.
No.
No.
I'll stick to my
Your plain one?
Yep.
So beautiful. Good?
Good, yeah.
I'm glad you came. I'm glad you tried it. Good.
I wanted to say no, I don't want it, but then.
Laminata.
Oh yeah.
There I go. You can't open it? I know why I'm lifting it so much. I got old fizz.
Piece of pepper went in my throat from your meat.
Are you serious? Cheers. Cheers.
Who's eating behind me?
Nice and fresh. Mr. Peanut. You don't like the way he's chewing?
No, I like it.
ASMR?
All the pumpkins would be like this, or just this one?
There's all the different. Pumpkin is a pumpkin. This is spaghetti squash, and I know why the name it came. See, when you brushed it up,
Yeah, looks like spaghetti.
it's like spaghetti strands, but they all have different tastes. They're a little bit different, but it depends how you season it. You added butter, cheese.
Yeah, it's good.
It's very good. Even the squash by itself, as she's eating it, is good.
Even without cheese or anything, it's good. Happy food.
It is happy food. Making me happy. And it's filling with the meat sauce. I'm gonna add some more cheese. Some more of that cheese. Eat some more parsley. I don't even take everything. More meat. And for a change, it's gonna save you washing dishes if you're eating it off the bowl. So that's a good thing.
It is a nice bowl.
It is.
Yes.
Good, good. Very delicious. And as you're gonna see, the process of making it's very easy making it. It's just gonna take an hour when you cook it in the oven.
Oh, it took 1 hour?
Yeah. 50 minutes to an hour, but I put it for an hour because I wanted to make sure it's all cooked. It's so good. See yours, you can show them. Oh, you ate it. Show them it's more stringy with the fork. Looks
Yeah.
like a spaghetti. Yeah. No.
To my fork.
It's okay. It's all good. Oh my God. So good.
See, they can see it, I think, how I'm scraping it.
Yeah. More meat for me. No meat for my sister.
No.
Today she's vegetarian. Look at this big bite. Here, one more bite for you. Out there.
I'll finish it. I'm full, but I'll finish
You're
it.
full?
Yeah.
Already?
No, I'll finish it.
More meat for me. Where's Peanut? Peanut! Sorry, buddy. Oh, he went under the... I'm like, what? Where is he? He went under the pillow. There you go, sorry. Sweetheart.
No, he said she's busy eating, so she won't feed me. Yeah, Betty? Yeah? She forgot about you? Huh?
There you go, sweetheart. As I always say, you should try it at least once. It's good. My bowl is almost empty.
Mine is done.
No way! Well, don't forget, I took the bigger one. I took the bigger one, and I'm gonna scrape it off.
Wow.
There we go. Sorry, I'm not gonna let you wait for me. Well, there you go. There you have it. Spaghetti squash empty.
Now you can lick the bowl. This bowl you can lick it.
I technically licked it.
Yeah, you licked it. You killed it.
I destroyed it. There's nothing left. That was absolutely delicious. Very
It was
tasty,
good,
very
yes.
easy to make, and my picky sister liked it. So I recommend you trying it.
It is good, yeah, you should.
Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Bye. I love you.
Bye.
Bye.